Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Maldivian food YouTube channel. Today I am going to share Barabo boakibaa recipe. This will go well with black tea. Let's get started. For this recipe, I am using 2 onion and salt to taste. Mix it well, squeeze, mix it very well. Now time to add other ingredients: garlic, curry leaves, bilimag and chili. If bilimag is not available, use lemon. Now mix it well. After that, add smoked tuna and 1 canned tuna. Mix it with 1 cup grated coconut. After that, add boiled pumpkin. Now this is almost half kg pumpkin. I am adding chili at this point. At this point I am adding chili because when I tasted it, I felt I need to add more chili. Added 1 all-purpose. Now I added half cup all-purpose flour. Mix it, add 2 eggs and mix it well. The recipe is almost ready. Cook it on a stove using fry pan or bake it in an oven. This is the end result. Barabo boakibaa goes well with black tea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye bye.